Hello friends, welcome to Cooking Stories. Today we will prepare masala pooris, which you can have without any curry and is one of the best food to carry while traveling. We will take around 4 cups of atta, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, around 1 tablespoon ajwain, 1 bowl of chopped spinach, and 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Now we will mix all the ingredients nicely. Now start adding water to it and knead till you get a soft dough. Our dough is ready. Now we will make small balls out of it. Begin to roll it evenly from the center to a round poori. It should not be too thick or thin. Begin to heat oil on a medium-high flame. We will take oil such that our pooris get completely immersed into it. Once the oil is hot enough, slide the poori carefully into it and let it rise halfway up. Gently begin to press it. This helps the poori to puff slightly. It will not puff up as normal pooris because of spinach pieces. Fry until it turns golden and crisp. If pooris browns quickly, then reduce the flame slightly and allow oil to cool down a bit. Try out this amazing recipe. You will definitely like it. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for our future videos.